An earthquake is a phenomenon of sudden and temporary shaking of the Earth's crust produced by the release of accumulated energy in form of seismic waves. To be prepared for an earthquake, you have to choose a safe place in each room where nothing can fall on you. Try duck and cover at least twice a year with your family. Choose a family contact residing outside the area. Take a first aid course. Learn how to use a fire extinguisher. Eliminate hazards by securing items on walls. Prepare a disaster kit for your home and a car kit that includes first aid kits and essential medications, canned food and a can opener, at least 3 gallons of water per person, protective clothing, raincoats and bedding or sleeping bags, battery-powered radio, flashlight and extra batteries, special items for babies, the elderly or disabled family members, written instructions on how to disconnect gas, electricity, and water if authorities advise you to do. Keep essential items such as a flashlight and strong shoes next to your bed. If possible, stay calm and stay indoors for the duration of the earthquake. Get on the floor, cover up and hold on. Take only steps that allow you to place yourself under a safe place, such as a sturdy desk or table. Once there, hold on with both hands on one leg. Stay away from windows, glass, mirrors, exterior doors or walls, and anything that might fall on you like lamps or furniture. If there isn't a table or desk near you, cover your face and head with your arms and duck away from windows and shelves. If you are in the street, stay away from poles and electrical cables. If you are in a building, get under a table or desk away from windows and exterior walls. Stay there until the movement has passed. Do not use the elevators. If you are inside a crowded place like a restaurant or movie theater, stay where you are. Don't run towards the doors. Stay away from shelves containing objects that may fall. If you are in a moving car, stop as fast as possible and stay inside the vehicle until the shaking stops. Avoid stopping near or under buildings, trees, bridges, or power lines. Then proceed cautiously, looking at the road and bridge to see if they are damaged. If you have to go out, be on the lookout for falling objects, down power lines and walls, bridge, etc.